The Tesla Model 3 has been the face of modern electric driving for years, and now, in 2026, it's more refined, more efficient, and smarter than ever. If you're wondering whether the newest Model 3 still leads the EV game, you're in the right place. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest tech and rides to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Design. The 2026 Model 3 gets a sleek refresh, building on its minimalist look with a slightly sharper front end, slimmer headlights, and updated LED tail lights. The aerodynamics are improved, which isn't just for style, it helps with range and performance too. The interior stays clean and simple, centered around the horizontal touchscreen, but now with higher quality materials and improved sound insulation for an even quieter ride. Performance. Whether you're in the rear-wheel drive or the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant, the 2026 Model 3 feels quick and responsive. Acceleration is instant, and handling is tighter thanks to minor suspension tweaks. Range has been bumped slightly, pushing well beyond 350 miles in the long-range version. Tesla's regenerative braking feels smoother, giving more confidence during everyday driving. Features and technology. Inside, the focus is on refinement and smart tech. The updated infotainment system is faster, features improved voice controls, and syncs better with your phone. Autopilot capabilities have advanced once again, and while full self-driving is still optional, its performance continues to inch closer to real automation. You'll also find wireless charging, premium surround audio, and even customizable ambient lighting. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model 3 still the benchmark for electric sedans? With better comfort, smarter tech, and great efficiency, it sure looks like it. What do you think? Would you take the new Model 3 over the competition? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your EV-curious friends, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more smart takes on the latest rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.